Twinkling of stars is caused by A. Reflection of light, B. Polarization of light, C. Refraction of light, D. Interference of light, E. None of above. The correct option is C. Refraction of light. Magnifying power of a simple microscope can be increased by A. Increasing focal length of the lens, B. Decreasing focal length of the lens, C. Lens of large aperture, D. Lens of short aperture, E. None of above. The correct option is B. Decreasing focal length of the lens. Bronze medal is made up of metals A. Copper and zinc, B. Copper and nickel, C. Copper and tin, D. Copper and silver, E. None of above. The correct option is C. Copper and tin. One of the countries through which equator passes is A. Kenya, B. Pakistan, C. Malaysia, D. Malta, E. None of above. The correct option is A. Kenya. A very important practical application of properties of matter is hoeing or godi, practiced by the farmers. This property of matter is called A. Elasticity, B. Stress, C. Capillarity, D. Strain, E. None of above. The correct option is I am not sure. It is observed that the total pressure exerted by air on the man of average size is around 14.7 pound per square inch, but the man feels quite comfortable. It is because of A. An equal and opposite pressure acts from inside, B. Of the height of a man, C. Of gravity, D. Earth pulls the man upward, E. None of above. The correct option is A. An equal and opposite pressure acts from inside. A nuclear reactor is a device used to carry out controlled nuclear reaction, whereas GM counter is a device used to detect A. Current, B. Voltage, C. Nuclear radiation, D. Power, E. None of above. The correct option is C. Nuclear radiation. A body can escape the gravitational pull of the earth if it is thrown up with a velocity of A. 25 miles per second, B. 60 miles per second, C. 7 miles per second, D. 10 miles per second, E. None of above. The correct option is C. 7 miles per second. Night vision is possible with the help of A. Red light, B. Violet light, C. Infrared rays, D. Ultraviolet light, E. None of above. The correct option is C. Infrared rays. Myopia is a defect of human eye. It can be corrected by using a lens called A. Convex lens, B. Concave lens, C. Cylindrical lens, D. Plano-convex lens, E. None of above. The correct option is B. Concave lens.